Okay, well here is the train room. We got things decorated. Over here we got Sean Tall Station. Some nice schematic artwork. Got the clock for the Great Northern. Railroad crossing sign. Over here is going to be Coal Station. And then we got some nice photos I took in Utah. Pretty nice. And over here we got the tribute to the Great Northern Railroad. That's what we're modeling. Let's get some nice stuff. Great Northern Railroad. Some engines. A couple photos from down in Oregon. And some more nice artwork. So where are we at now? We're just waiting for the carpet to come in. Got the floor treated. Then we'll start laying track and wiring. All right, can't wait to get started. It's gonna be fun.